I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Bitlocker was active and you have the recovery key available. This is why the key source matters. Once done, make sure the device uses TPM or password protector so the recovery behavior is predictable. Next, restart the PC and deliberately interrupt boot or simulate a failed configuration. This forces Windows to present the Bitlocker recovery screen. You do this now to capture the exact moment the system asks for the 48-digit recovery key or prompts for a USB key file. Once the recovery screen appears, you need to read the on-screen instructions carefully. They show a 48-digit recovery ID and state whether a key file is required. If a USB key is requested, insert the prepared USB and wait. The system will read the key automatically. If instead you must enter the numeric key, use another device to sign into your Microsoft account or query your organization's Active Directory using the recovery ID. Doing this now prevents repeated boots into recovery. You finish by entering the 48-digit recovery key exactly as shown. Accuracy matters because a single wrong digit blocks access. Once entered, the drive unlocks and Windows resumes. If it does not, make sure you use the correct key source and retry with a copy-paste from your trusted backup, or use the USB key method if available. If repeated attempts fail, contact your administrator or locate offline recovery backups, because forced recovery or drive reset may be necessary, and you should avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.